In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace your drafting template that you're going to use for the sheets in this class. So you'll see what I've done is I've attached my drafting template to my work surface, and I've made sure to mount it so that when I touch my T-square to the edges of the lines, they're perfectly lined up. And I've done the same thing with the horizontal lines here, just to make sure that as I trace these lines, these tools will be useful for me. So then to that, I have overlaid a piece of vellum, and I'm going to attach it the bottom layer with some the bottom edge with some drafting dots. Just make sure that there's no bubbles. You can use either tool to do that, just to make sure it's laying nice and flat. So now what I'm going to do is start with my thickest line weight pen. And the best way to do this is really to set your pen where you want to start and then move the tools up. So as you can see, as I'm drawing this line, I'm spinning my pen slightly back and forth so that the distribution of the ink is even. And I'm going to go back one more time. Okay, and now I'm going to do the line at the bottom. So again, I'm setting my pen where I want, and then I'm moving the tool up to it. You can see if you press really hard, you'll split the tip of your pen. And so you can see at this angle it's a little bit dry. So it's going to take me a couple of passes to get it nice and thick and consistent. And you can see I'm twisting my pen as I go. And now I'm going to do the outer verticals again, because these are the profile lines. So they're going to be in the thickest line weight. And again, just twisting my pen. And this outer edge will be a little bit trickier because it's right on the edge, and I've got to flip my triangle. Okay, and there's your outer edge profile lines. So now that I've got nice thick profile lines, I'm going to draw my change of plane line, so the mid-level thickness. So I'm using my 0.35 millimeter line weight pen, and that's where I'm going to create these sort of next level lines here. So it'll be the ones that create the edge of the title bar. And so again, I'm just going to start at the top. I'm going to place my pen where I want my line to start and move the tool to my line and to my pen. And you can see I'm rolling it again here, twisting my pen as I go. Whoops. And so you can see I wasn't holding on to my triangle quite as well. So you can see here it slipped out of my hand, so you want to be really, really careful about that. So now that I've got those slightly thinner lines, and for you all, you would probably redo this so that you don't have that little edge coming out as a mistake. But I'm going to leave it for right now. And I'm going to go ahead and just trace the information that I need. So I'm going to trace my name and the information here. Again, using my thinnest line weight. So this is a 0.20. And again, all caps, perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. And you're going to put in the information that is most applicable to you and your term. And I'm going to come around to the side here and write my name. And right here is where we're going to leave blank so that as we create different drawings, we can put the name of the drawing right there and the drawing number here. So I'm going to leave that blank for right now.